With especially decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculation and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain foundation world, in spite of prevalent thinking. While government-issued types of money fundamentally are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. At present decision the Atom digital currency trades, Cosmos network in every way that really matters, is flooding ahead with Tendermint Core and its remarkable Byzantine fault tolerance having basically proclaimed its venture in every way that really matters, worth $15 million. Universe digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos network helps the development of Atom token, or so they thought. Universe digital money, all the more famously known by its local symbolic atom, most certainly has as of late been essentially dynamic in the crypto market, performing marvels, which truly is genuinely huge. Before we start with a real Cosmos cost forecast, we should really look at point-by-point outline of the coin in a kind of significant manner. Instability really is the sign of any digital currencies, thus for the most part is valid for Cosmos too, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In December 2019 Cosmo began its progressive yet by and large consistent exhibition amazingly. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull generally run in March 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way in an extremely enormous manner. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its exceptional presentation. Universe in every way that really matters, has beaten a record gain according to crypto gauges by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging, in spite of prevalent thinking. The help level is $29.936 and opposition level for the most part is $33.325, which is very critical. Universe forecast, market sentiment: the more, the merrier, thus the genuinely more the specialists, the more the suppositions for Cosmos. ATOM, cost expectations, news, based on our cost expectations and Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos. ATOM, value, the guess for 2026 for the most part is $173.331 in view of the ongoing developments in a very significant manner. With a 5-year venture, the cost activity income explicitly is supposed to really be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. As indicated by our Cosmos estimate and specialized examination, the Atom could exchange around $44.95 toward the finish of 2022 and $73.68 by 2025. In view of our Atom cost expectation, the truly most extreme worth may be around $33.52, a genuinely least cost of $26.19 toward 2022 in an unobtrusive manner's end. The very normal Cosmos, ATOM, cost for December 2022 could really be $21.70 in an unpretentious manner. Universe cost estimates toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60. As per news and our Atom cost expectation, a great deal of Atom projections for the most part are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from the start idea search stage to the testing stage and before the year's over, a great deal of new ventures would have been finished. Consequently, generally around bullish value forecasts of crossing an unsurpassed kind of high of digital currency cost $31.47, setting out additional open doors to exchange, for the most part purchase Universe, making it a beneficial speculation. In any case, as of late, it confronted a sharp downfall. Universe cost today for the most part waits around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a coursing supply of 286,370,297 Atom. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos, ATOM, is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos sort of is $31.06 amazingly. Universe price prediction 2022. As per Atom expectation, with different organizations and joint efforts and local area subsidizing. The cryptographic money market basically glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful, however unquestionably plausible toward 2022 in the truly transient send. Universe Price Prediction 2023. With any progressions in government, which is genuinely huge, arrangements and guidelines, the Atom cost may explicitly have its portion of murky days. In the event that Atom cost in every practical sense holds the help at the 100 SMA immovably, purchasers will then have more than adequate opportunity to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and security, which is very critical. In the main, around 50% of the cost could in a real sense be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of Atom could basically be around $75, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Universe Price Prediction 2024, or so they thought. Hustling up to peak won't be subsequently so hard for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and kind of long-haul value targets can in a real sense be found to, all things considered, purchase or in every way that really matters, sell Atom. Beginning with at least $63 in the very long haul, it might cross $90, which is very huge. Universe Price Prediction 2025. Particle USD, however, dove yet in light of forecasts sent opposition level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom generally is the critical expansion in the quantity of Atom coins kept into the agreement. Amazingly, in the main, a portion of the cost may be $81. Incredibly, Universe ATOM cost is set to give truly encouraging indications, arriving at a peak of $105 toward the finish of 2025, which especially is genuinely huge. Universe Price Prediction 2026. Updates will push the versatility of the Cosmos organization to 1,000,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from energy escalated system in a significant manner. As per Cosmos cost forecasts, in the principal half of the year 2026 the cost could reach to $90. The blockchain network basically is somewhat really famous, with various ventures based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, we can truly see the cost of Atom to reach $120, making it an unequaled sort of high in the fundamentally next 5 years. How does Cosmos Atom cost gain importance? On the lookout. It explicitly is only the trust of financial backers that truly has made a vertical flood in the Cosmos Atom cost, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals. As in truly aforementioned expectations, Cosmos has sort of endured the trial of by and large times and merits financial backers' well-deserved cash to generally purchase and for exchanging, which is very critical. Might Cosmos Atom at